Well, you guys seem to really love this wallet, so I'm gonna make another one. But this time, PDFs included. So, go down below, get your PDF. Let's get into making this wallet. This one I'm going with the blue base. It's gonna be a little bit different than this one, obviously. But it's gonna be real cool. Let's do it. First things first, make it smaller. One of the first things I'm going to do, get these little, corner rounded areas punched. And I just use this so it's easier than trying to cut down in that. Now let's get to cutting. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do this inside part first, I think. Alright, base part of that's done. Haven't done the corners yet. Guess I'll get that now. Okay, that one's done. Next I'm gonna get this, shortened up. Make it smaller. Get it taped down, get these next pieces cut, and we'll be off to the races. So if you watched the last video, you'll see that I tried to use the scales of the alligator print to try to make this look cooler. And essentially that's kind of the same way I'm going to do it on this. Just try to make it fit in somewhere and just have a good little texture. That part will look great. This part I want to match it, so I want to go along that same pattern, I think. I wonder if it'd be better to do it that way. We're gonna do it that way, just because. And it don't matter. You guys are gonna build your own. This is one that I want to build. These ones I'd really like to get some of these the smaller scales. This is going to be a different color. Well, it'll be the blue. But that's, I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll see. All right. And there's the first one. Now that we've got everything cut, now I'm going to put the buttonholes in and get that part ready. So that's what's next. That is ready to go. Guess I didn't finish cutting this piece. Might as well go ahead and do that. There we go. Okay. Now, I've gotten everything cut out, ready to go. Okay, so this is going to come up here like this. This one's going to come over here like this. This will be down. This will be down. And that'll go under the bottom side of there. I guess I can center that up. So this is essentially what we're going to be having is this. So let's get these edges cleaned up and see what happens. So this little tool and all the little sanders I use, everything's just the cheap ones from Amazon. I don't go above and beyond and try to spend all my money on all these fancy tools. It's just a hobby. I just like creating stuff for you guys to see and maybe go build your own. So for the people that ask, just get on Hobby Lobby or on Amazon and figure out what you want, or go to Hobby Lobby and see what they got or whatever. I just make stuff. Okay, let's get this all laid out and all that. Get off of there. Get these laid out, get it on, get it stitched up, ready to go. Need to get tape on, get the buttons on, and we'll be ready to assemble it. Perfect. All right, let's get this, I guess, assembled. So obviously, these are gonna go where it makes sense. I'm gonna wait on that one. It's just too much flapping around when I go to stitch this together. So now I'm gonna get this punched and get her stitched. Let's get this all stitched up. So I'm doing this blue thread just, well, because I wanted to make a cool accent with it. But also, it's the 0.6 millimeter thread. So it just kind of gives it a little different look because it's a little smaller and thinner. So, hopefully, once all said and done, it looks really good. So now that I'm got these on, stitched up, they look really good. I mean, obviously, you can tell they look really good. But I still need to get this one on. And for that, I kind of do it this way. I put a bunch of cards in there to make it where it would be in thickness, ideally. Then I put my button on. And then see roughly where it's going to be. Which this is actually right about where I marked it originally. So, we're set. Wonderful. Oh, man. Gosh, that looks so good. You can't even deny how good that looks. Okay, so as you can tell, this thing's pretty close to being finished. And man, That looks good. All that's left is to essentially get this stitched up and then get this side stitched up. So, without further ado, let's get that on and get this thing finished up. Gosh, that looks so good. That is all finished. Oh my goodness. This looks good. Well, if you like this, which a lot of you did, get this PDF down below. Go make your own. Make it cooler. See what other cool color combinations you can come up with. This was just a off-the-cuff idea. So, go make your own. Hit the like, hit subscribe, comment on it if you actually hit the download button. Let me know. Till then, I'll see you next time. Admire it. See ya.